Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class I am going to teach geometry. Sums from the example 4.12 to 4.14 and exercise 4.2 sum number 1 and also teach the important theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, that is PPT, are called Sales theorem. Statement: a straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides divides the sides in the same ratio. A triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, D is a point on AB, E is a point on AC. To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Construction: draw a line DE parallel to BC. Proof. Statement. First statement: angle ABC is equal to angle ADE is angle 1. Reason: corresponding angles are equal because DE is parallel to BC. The statement, second statement: angle ACB is equal to angle AED is angle 2. Corresponding angles are equal because DE is parallel to BC. The third statement: angle ADE is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle 3. Both triangles have a common angles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE by AAA similarity. Using similarity, AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Corresponding sides are proportional. Splitting AB and AC, AB is split into AD plus DB by AD is equal to AC is split AE plus EC by AE. Splitting AB and AC using the points D and E. AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. AD by AD is 1 plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE is 1 plus EC by AE. By simplification, cancelling 1 on both sides, we get DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Cancelling 1 on both sides. Reciprocal of the above. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, taking reciprocal. Hence, the theorem is proved. Corollary. In triangle ABC, a straight line DE parallel to BC intersect AB at D and AC at E, then AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. And the second one, AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. Proof. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC by basic proportionality theorem. Taking reciprocal, we get DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Add 1 to both in the side. DB by AD plus 1 is equal to EC by AE plus 1. AD is LCM. DB plus AD by AD is equal to EC plus AE by AE. DB plus AD is equal to AB is equal by AD is equal to EC plus AE is equal to AC by AE. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. First one proved. Add 1 to both sides of this. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That's you get AD by DB plus 1 is equal to AE by EC plus 1. Then we get AD plus DB by DB is equal to AE plus EC by EC. AD plus DB. AD plus DB is equal to AB. AE plus EC is equal to AC. Therefore, AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. Converse of basic proportionality theorem statement. If a straight line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. Example number 4.12. In triangle ABC, if DE is parallel to BC, AD is equal to X, DB is equal to X minus 2, AE is equal to X plus 2, and EC is equal to X minus 1, then find the length of the sides AB and AC. A triangle ABC, D and E are the point on AB and AC. Join DE. DE is parallel to BC. AD is X. DB is X minus 2. AE is X plus 2. EC is X minus 1. In triangle ABC, we have DE is parallel to BC. By Thales theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD X by DB X minus 2 is equal to AE X plus 2 by EC X minus 1. Cross multiplication we get X into X minus 1 is equal to X plus 2 into X minus 1. X into X, X square, X into minus 1 minus X plus equal to X plus 2 into X minus 2 is A minus B into A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So X square minus 2 square, X square cancel, minus X is equal to 2 square minus 4, minus X is equal to minus 4, X is equal to 4. When X is equal to 4, AD is X, so AD is 4. If DB is X minus 2 is equal to X is 4, 4 minus 2, 2. AE is X plus 2, X is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. EC is X minus 1, X is 4, 4 minus 1, 3. AB is AD plus DB, AD is 4 plus DB is 2, 4 plus 2, 6. AC, AE plus EC, AE is 6 plus EC is 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Therefore, AB 6, AC 9. Example number 4.13. D and E are respectively the points on the side AB and AC of triangle ABC such that AB 5.6 cm, AD 1.4 cm, AC 7.2 cm and AE 1.8 cm. Show that DE is parallel to BC. Here a triangle is given ABC. D is a point on AB, E is a point on BC. Join DE, we get a line to prove that line DE is parallel to BC. Given AD is 1.4, AB is 5.6, AE is 1.8, AC is 7.2. Given AB 5.6 cm, AD 1.4 cm, AC 7.2 cm and AE 1.8 cm. To find DB, DB is AB minus AD is equal to 5.6, AB 5.6 minus AD 1.4 is equal to 4.2 cm. BD is 4.2 cm. EC is AC minus AE. AC 7.2 minus AE 1.28. 7.2 minus 1.8 is equal to 5.4 centimeter. EC is 5.4 centimeter. AD by DB is equal to 1.4 by 4.2. Cancelling we get 1 by 3. AE by EC is equal to 1.8 by 5.4. Cancelling we get 1 by 3. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Therefore, by converse of PPT, we have DE is parallel to BC. Hence proved. Example number 4.14. In the figure, DE is parallel to AC and DC is parallel to AB. To prove BE by EC is equal to BC by CB. In triangle BPA, we have DC is parallel to AB. By PPT, we have BC by CB is equal to BD by DA, taken as 1. In triangle BCA, we have DE is parallel to AC. From 1 and 2, both 1 and 2, the right sides are equal, so left sides are equal. BE by EC is equal to BC by CB, hence proved. Exercise 4.2, sum number 1. In triangle ABC, D and E are points on the sides AB and AC respectively, such that DE is parallel to BC. First one, if AD by DB is equal to 3 by 4 and AC is 15 centimeter, find AE. Given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Given AD by DB is equal to 3 by 4, AC is 15, AE is X, EC is equal to AC minus AE. AC is 15, 15 minus X. By PPT, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is 3 by 4 is equal to AE X by EC 15 minus X. Cross multiplication we get 3 into 15 minus X is equal to 4X. 4 into X, 4X. 3 into 15, 45 minus 3 into X minus 3X is equal to 4X. 45 is equal to 4X plus 3X. 4X plus 3X, 7X is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 by 7. 45 divided by 7, we get 6.433. X is equal to 6.43 centimeter. Therefore, AE is 6.43 centimeter. First sum, second division. If AD is 8x minus 7, DB is 5x minus 3, AE is 4x minus 3 and EC is 3x minus 1, find the value of X. In triangle ABC, D and E are the points on AB and AC. DE is parallel to BC. By PPT, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD 8x minus 7 by DC 5x minus 3 is equal to AE 4x minus 3 by EC 3x minus 1. Cross multiplication we get 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 3 into 5x minus 3. 8x into 3x, 24x square. 8x into minus 1 minus 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 21x minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 4x into 5x, we get 20x square. 4x into minus 3 minus 12x minus 3 into 5x minus 15x minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. 24x square minus 8x minus 21x minus 29x plus 7 is equal to 20x square minus 12x minus 15x minus 27x plus 9. 24x square minus 20x square minus 29x plus 27x plus 7 minus 9 is equal to 0. 24x square minus 20x square 4x square minus 29x plus 27x minus 2x plus 7 minus 9 minus 2 is equal to 0. Divided by 2 we get 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Factorize this, we get x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Length is not in negative, so the value of x is 1.